Hey, Happy New Year everybody. This is Henry out here at Guaranty Chevrolet. I want to show you this 2018 low miles certified pre-owned Chevy Colorado. It's equipped with a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower, and 275 foot-pounds of torque. With the 8-speed automatic transmission, gives you plenty of passing power, acceleration, and a towing capacity of up to 7,000 pounds. This is well equipped. It's an automatic with the automatic four-wheel drive, has the technology with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. With the certified pre-owned 172-point inspection, you get an additional 1 year bumper-to-bumper 12,000-mile warranty, plus the additional 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Just an exceptional value. You need to come out here and let us show you the features, the value, and the benefits of this nice vehicle. We're just a few minutes from Airport Road. Have a great day.